I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting the licks in the.
Yo. Alright, y'all, this is the deal. I got a mower here. This is a Craftsman YTS 3000. Nice looking little mower here. Got my coffee in my hand. The motor on it. 21 horse. Good motor. Just like all of them, the seat kind of come unglued. Battery no good. Gear works. The problem was the deck. One of the spindles, and you can see right here, they hit something and it basically just destroyed one of the spindles. So I have to rebuild the deck. Just say everything else on there was really, really good on here. I done went through the and the tires, but I'm gonna throw some slime in them. The deck. So what I ordered was a kit. Check this out. These are your blades, belt, and spindles. Okay, that's the top pulley. That's your spindles, including the bolts. Got this, and the other one is in the box. I was trying to see if they had their address on here so I could pass it on to y'all. Yeah, they have it. But this is a complete kit that you could buy. Let me see. Hopefully y'all can see that pretty good, man. What's that? ParsDiscounter.com. Hopefully y'all see that. Yeah, you get the complete kit. I got the complete kit for $70, and that is not bad, man. Like I said, that's complete. Brand new spindle, brand new belt, brand new pulleys, brand new blades, brand new bolts. Everything. Okay? Everything. Complete rebuild of the deck. I bought this for $20. Alright? So I should make good money on this one. Because I'm going to end up get rid of this one. I'm going to end up and fix my other one in the back. I'm going to tell y'all about that. It's coming up soon. That Dixon, I acquired that off my kinfolk, who brought it here for me to check out. He decided to let me get that, so we made a trade on it. I gave him the little motor off the little bike I was going to fix. The little motor right here. He wanted for a 4-wheeler, so that's why I stopped that project. And he gave me the lawnmower. So I think that's a really good trade for me, because I have all of the parts to finish that. Because I'm going to put a whole nother motor on it, and I have a PTO, because the PTO was bad, but I didn't like that motor, like the top and everything. But we're going to go back over that once we get on that one, because this is going to be the next one that I finish. So I'm going to pause, y'all. I'm going to have to get situated, get set up, and then we're going to get started on this deck here. Be sure to put your brackets back. do, you come in from the bottom and hand tighten them. Got to put my bracket back to hold the belt. Kind of makes it tight for your old meat hook though. Okay, so what you can see, that's basically how you do it. Then I'm gonna get the other side on. Then I'm gonna bring you back because we still gotta put the pulleys on and the belt on. All right, y'all, got both of the pulleys on. Got the belt on. Everything working good. Just gotta put it underneath. Perfect kit. So y'all had it addressed and everything, but yeah, it's perfect. Thank y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe.